at Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. This is the amazing Apple collaboration with our wonderful host, the Texas Country Wife. Please check out her channel, her links in my description box, and please check out the playlist of all the other amazing cooks in this Apple collab. I am going to be making a Polish dish because my husband's Polish, and it contains apples. It is sauerkraut with apple and kielbasa. Okay, let's make a one-pot meal. We're gonna start out with a crock pot. In that crock pot, I used a crock pot bag, and I added 2 quarts of sauerkraut. This is homemade sauerkraut that I make, and I put caraway seeds in mine. But any store-bought sauerkraut that you like will work perfectly. To that sauerkraut, I add one thing of kielbasa sausage, cut up, one sliced apple. This makes it sweet. And this is a trick my mother-in-law taught me, which of course my husband is Polish. And she said to her it gives her a better flavor. And then this is your choice. You can either wait until after this crock pot cooks down and taste it, or go and add this, or just do it now. And that's about a teaspoon of brown sugar. A lot of times I like to wait till it cooks down to see if it's too sour. Because sometimes your homemade sauerkraut especially can be a little too sour. And then give it a nice stir. And then leave this cook low and slow for about 8 hours or about 4 hours on high. And this is a nice dish for New Year's Eve, but we like it a few times out of the year, and it's a nice go-to when it's cold recipe. Talk to you later. Bye.